Good morning, folks. This is Mark with Marc's Mobility. We're doing a review this morning on a how to possibly help you get a chair in your SUV if you have a hatchback or even if you have a tailgate. How to get a power chair that's about 40, 50, 60, 70 pounds. Just a how-to video, and I'm sure this will help a lot of you. I have a lot of clients that come here and they pick a chair that's 40, 50 pounds. They can't get it from here into the vehicle just because 40, 50, 60 pounds is too heavy. Now we have a Jazzy Carbon here that weighs 43 pounds with the battery in it, 43 pounds. I have it in neutral. And what I'm going to show you here, I have two ramps here. These are extending ramps. These ramps weigh 12.5 pounds each. 12.5 pounds each. They have a 600-pound weight capability. But I want to show you something that's possibly going to be help you get these chairs that you're buying into your vehicle. So the first thing we're going to do is open the hood of the car, open the hatchback. So we're going to open the hatchback up. Now this is pretty high here. Some of your vehicles are going to be a lot lower than mine, so it's going to be even easier. But I want to show you with the extreme height how easy it would be. So these ramps will not open until you push the button. Actually, you got to go on this side. Push the button, get it all the way up. Okay. One side has a lip, so the lip side would be on the vehicle, and the flat side will be on the ground. So I'm going to do it this way. Then we're going to do the same thing with this one. It opens up only on one side. So you open it up. Maybe it was on this side. And we're going to put the little lip on the vehicle like this. Okay? So you should be about this far apart. And I have the Jazzy Carbon right now in neutral. So this is an easy one to push because it is in neutral. So I'm going to line up my ramp a little bit better. There we go. All I have to do, this is a lot easier than trying to lift 40, 50 pounds if you go this way. So I line it up on the ramp. Okay. And then I just push it up. When I get up to here, you can see it's not going to go in, but most of these chairs have a latch back here. You pull the latch out, you push it down, and your chair is in the car. Now here's the kicker. It's impossible to get the chair out and open it up because you can't get in front of the chair to open it up unless you're very strong and you have someone helping you. That would be possible. You could possibly come back down the ramp. But watch this. If you take your ramps and we put them back down. 12.5 pounds each. Just watch your fingers. Put them back down on the ground. And what I have here, folks, is the key when you come out. I have a moving blanket right here. It's a moving blanket. Put it over here like this. Bring your chair on the blanket. And then when you bring it out, just hold onto the chair. You're not lifting. You're just letting it come down. I had almost zero, and now I can open it. I had almost zero down force doing it this way. So folks, all I wanted to tell you is you can use any power chair. You can use the Majestic power chair. You can use one of these. Any of these that you can push manually easily. You can go up that ramp, and then you can just push the lever, fold it down, just like we did with that smaller one. And this one here would be about a 60-pound chair right here. So, and when you're done, keep your moving blanket in your vehicle. And I use this one because you can get these anywhere, like 20 bucks. And the ramps, we have the ramps here. You put your ramps in your vehicle. These are and then you shut your car. Okay, folks, I just want to show you again how easy it would be. I just was thinking about that the other day. How can it be simpler? Because some people walk away from here without purchasing a chair because they can't lift it. So with those two little ramps, anybody can push it up, especially this one that only weighs 43 pounds with the battery. And then when you take it out, do not use the ramp. When you take it out, you cannot unfold the chair. But with the moving blankets, that chair will come down with no pressure at all, right against your body, slowly down to the ground. This would be a great way for some of you to be able to purchase a chair and instead of passing life by, have a nice chair to get around and enjoy life. I appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions, call us. We'll be glad to help you out. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.